Hi guys, so for guys who missed this live session today that we had of the launch of the new products, we've launched 4 new notebooks this week and a travel based product that we were talking about. But the entire kit, the launch has been postponed by a month because we thought things should get a little more to normal for us to get back to traveling. And meanwhile, in the live, we did have interaction with our followers, and we will be working on a bullet journal and dot grid notebooks as we promised, just taking a little longer than expected. And also, this might be a last launch that you get to see for a couple more weeks or a month or two because of some things in my life. And let's start without much ado. And this is the first notebook. I guess you guys would have seen this earlier. This is the Smile Human notebook, which is for all dog lovers. So this is a hand painted dog, which is damn cute. And if you're not a dog lover and you're a cat person, here is the second one. This notebook is called Sleep Tight, and it's a cat's guide to acing the lockdown. And it has a 6-step process by which you can be a happy person in the lockdown, according to the cat. And this is the third one. This is called the Mysore Malige Mysore Pak notebook, which is my favorite. I enjoyed working on this and the detailing, if you can see. Yes. And here's the fourth notebook, which we are launching in 2 variants. And this is the Sari Nari notebook in the Hindi and the Kannada version. So that's all differs. The picture remains the same. We've just changed the logo so that you can choose the language that you're more comfortable with. And also with this launch, we have been changing the type of paper that we're using. So this is a more grained paper and it's slightly tinted, if you can see. I will bring it up closer. This is slightly thicker than the previous notebooks, and these notebooks are priced at the same 150 rupees, which makes it extra amazing. And this can be used for watercolors and alcohol markers with a little bit of ghosting and bleeding. And this is the last launch of the day. This is the Paper Airplanes notebook, which, sorry, I'm so sorry. This is the Paper Airplanes pouch, which is made of soft collapsible material. So it has a felt lining as well inside, so you can probably store pretty much anything that you like. It is very good quality, comes with a nice golden color zipper, and this is large enough to fit in a notebook, so this can be coupled with any of the notebooks as well to make a great travel companion. And here we go. The notebook is inside the pouch. So this can be bought with this set, and you can carry it around for your daily needs when you do get out and get to travel and get to move around, which will be pretty soon, hopefully. And that is that for this evening. So if you need anything else that you would like to see from our end, do put it out in the comments below. And we are also launching a couple of things that makes you keeps you motivated and happy during the lockdown, which is very important. Since we stopped socializing as much, we should let positive energy be major stakeholders in our life. It is very important. So a couple of things are coming out in that direction, and that should be very soon. And thanks all for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe if this is up on YouTube, and please do comment below if this is on IGTV. Thanks a lot, good night, and have a happy week ahead.